the newest little member.
Joe, come. Joe, come. Come, Joe. Hello, Joe. Hello, puppy. How's my baby? How's my baby? A nice baby? Yeah, you got a nice baby, haven't you?
Hello, sweet girl. Hello, sweet girl. Hello, sweet girl. Hello, my little bride. How's my little bride doing? And you? And you? And you, how are you doing? How's you doing? Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. Where's the baby? Here's the baby. Girls! Hey, Softy. Hello, Softy. Hello, my Softy. Hello, my kissy girl. Hello, my kissy girl. Hello, the kissy girl. Hello, my kissy girl. I love you too.
Okay, guys, you know our Jack. This is our Jack boy, proud little daddy. You saw his herd, the newborn. That's his little child. He's such a good daddy, such a proud man. Proud donkey, proud father. He's got a herd. The herd is now gone to 14 donkeys, and he's the daddy of everything. He's the monarch. He's got it all. He's under control, and more to come. What a proud daddy! Come here to tell me about his baby, and I'm so proud of you, Jack boy. What do you want a rubby? Do you want a rubby? Reward for Jack boy. Come on, Jack boy. There's a nice reward for you. Oh yes, because you're such a good boy. Oh yes, Jack, because Jack is such a good boy. You know, guys, sometimes in life, the most important thing in life is to have pleasure. Yes, self-sustainability goes a long way, and everything else goes a long way. But you know what? Do what you love in life. Do what gives you pleasure. And you know what? If donkeys give you pleasure, I mean, these are our pets. This is our family. And if donkeys give you pleasure, then go for it. But find yourself something that you can be happy with. And you know what, guys? If I can give you advice, if anybody's looking for something good, go for nature. Because at the end of the day, we all got a battery line. And we drain ourselves out sometimes. You know, it's like today, I've had such a day. It's been up and down. I've driven 300 kilometers today, and it's been around the farm, so many things. And my batteries were totally drained out. And then I come and I see my donkeys a bit, and just to communicate with them, just to touch them, it's like my batteries get charged. It's like you got natural battery chargers, and these are natural battery chargers. Anything, nature, your plants, your animals, your dogs, your cats, it's all natural battery chargers that help you develop, recharge yourself. It brings back the joy into your life. And yeah, that's our joy. Our donkeys, obviously our dogs and everything else, and our farm and our plants. But the donkeys, they like a highlight of my battery charging. Thanks, my puppy. See what you can do.
I love my little bouncy boy.
Here's another battery charger. Here's another battery charger.
It's a bouncy ball.
Hey?
It's a bouncy
He
ball.
was so small when he came, and look at him. Another battery charger, another thing that brings us full of life and makes us so happy. Go to Mommy, Chino.
Where's it, Gino?
Come here.
Mom runs. Mom runs.
Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing beat. Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing beat. Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Get you on your dancing dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend.